Carl Bradshire from Chaparral Motorsports here with Talon in the Acerbis booth, and today we're going to be talking about the Acerbis X-Brake. Now, when you're out there hardcore off-roading, doing some enduro stuff, you run into rocks and you bend that rotor, life can be bad. So tell us about the X-Brake and kind of why you guys brought it to market and kind of what it does.
Well, we've been a leader in disc covers for a lot of years, and we're always evolving. You know, one of the things that we utilize is our elite athletes like Marvin Moskine and Eli Tomac and off-road Caleb Russell. So these are the guys that do run the X-Brake skin. You know, some of the things that is different about ours is it doesn't just cover the outside of the disc, but there's a mounting system that's in it that actually replaces your wheel spacer. Oh, wow. And what's nice about that is that once you have that, then the outer disc cover, you can buy it relatively at a good price. They're retail $29.95. You can change the colors. We also have the full racing model that it comes in, which is full carbon fiber. Yeah, so we have 3 different models. We also have now just created for the mini bikes. So they're very stylish. There's many colorways, and they're ultimately protect your disc, which is a great investment. The bikes and stuff now come so nice, so expensive. We say you want to protect your investment. Well, that's what Acerbis does.
There you go, the Acerbis X-Brake. If you're looking to protect your rotors and get the most support possible with an interchangeable outer cover, if you will, this is the way to go. Now, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. I'm Carl from Chaparral Motorsports. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care and ride safe.